So in this factory setup, we have two different trunk lines. This is the trunk line for the blow molding area, which has a 2-inch Schedule 40 main trunk with 2-inch vacuum branch lines. And so we have one hose plugged in here, and you can see the larger 2-inch pipe feeding all of these inlets here. And to show just how much power these multi-stage turbine systems have. So, this line here, and we're currently operating at about 90 inches of working vacuum here. And that's very good. It's great performance even for, with one operator. But the interesting thing is that's a hose plugged in there, our testing Y plugged into here, as well as on the two other trunk lines. We have a trunk line here and a trunk line here. We have a hose plugged in here and another hose plugged in here. So that's 4 operators of just one Spencer IndustraVac.